Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Kia Sportage here on a 2012-2013 plate. Just doing the main dead bulb on this. I'm going to show you which one it is. Switch the ignition on, please. Lights on. Now you see that one there is working. This here isn't working. It's got a lot of condensation. That'd be the reason. Possibly that might be the reason the bulb is fused, but I might be wrong. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it's done. Lights off. To do it is a simple procedure. As you can see, there's a lot of space on the back here. You can do, that's the main dip bulb, that's a low beam, high beam, and the position lamp is going to be, position lamps is the daytime running lamp, so you cannot replace this. Basically this works as the daytime and position lamp, so you cannot replace it. You got to change the whole thing if the position lamp goes. Right, to do it, the bulb you need is a H7 bulb. You can find a link for it in the description, so if you did want one. Now to take this cover off, once you take the cover off, just remember the seal. So the seal is intact. Put the cover to the side. On the inside you've got the plug here. That's the spring. You push down on the spring and then turn it to your left. Before you do that, unplug it. So wiggle, be really gentle, and at the same time when you're wiggling, you pull the plug out. Here we go, that's out. Now the spring, you push it forward, turn it to your left. If you're standing in front of the car, it'd be to your right. So you do that. Then on this side there isn't any, I can't see, nope. So you just have to pull it out. Here we go, pull out. Once that's out, just remember how you take the bulb out. That's how you put it in. That's the pin locator there for the H7 at the bottom. So when you pull it out, you'll know what I mean about the pin locator. So this is it. So make sure it sits in nice and straight. Otherwise, what you'll have is beam image is going to be incorrect and you'll be blinding people. That's the last thing you want to do. Now the bulb, you can find a link for it in the description. So if you do like the video, please do share it, subscribe. Also there is a special thanks button as well if I've saved you a lot of money. I'm just going to get the bulb out. Don't want to touch the lens. I am working on my own. Here we go. Got the bulb out. So this bit here is going to face down. I'm going to slot it into the gap. Make sure it goes in nice and straight. Here we go. As you can see now, that's in there, and I'll bring the spring up. Now when I bring the spring up, I push it to the side and to the left, to the right. So looking from that angle is to the right, looking from the front is to the left. I then plug her in. That's it, that's in. Put the cover back on. That's on as well now. So what we're going to do, we're going to check, make sure it's working. Can you turn the ignition on, please? Lights on. Now there is working. This here is working as well. That's all it was on this particular model. It is a Kia Sportage. Lights off. Kia Sportage on a 2012 plate. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. There's a special playlist as well for Kia. Do check that out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.